Hello everyone. In this video, let us understand different steps to use Hive target with the transient cluster. So in case of persistent cluster, whenever we create the cluster configuration object, the associated Hadoop Hive HBase connections will be created. But in case of transient cluster, we don't see these connections created in the admin console, or we don't have option create it automatically whenever the cluster spawns. So we need to make use of a command task where we can mention the create connection command to create the Hive connection, which will be used by the Hive target. This is the agenda: introduction to ephemeral cluster, and steps to create Hive connection, and steps to use this Hive connection for the Hive target. Whenever you run a mapping with Hive target on the ephemeral or transient cluster. So all this will be shown as part of the demo. This is the introduction to the ephemeral cluster. So this is the cloud platform cluster that you can create to run mapping and any other task, and it will be terminated when the task completes. This can be used for production jobs, so which are not run on regular basis. So you can spawn a cluster whenever you want to run the production jobs, and then you can terminate the cluster using the cluster task, and then you can shut down the cluster. So this can be used to create cluster on Amazon AWS or Microsoft Azure Cloud Platform. So the create cluster task uses a cloud provisioning configuration. Now let us go through the demo to understand different steps to create the Hive connection and how can we use it to assign to the Hive target. Yeah, we would love to hear from you. You can let us know your feedback. Thank you.